أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله
Old city of Jerusalem with the walls.
How much?
700 years ago, the city was half of the size of today. Euro 41, the Roman expanded the city, actually make it double.
That is the old wall of the old city. The older city of the old city. The older city. A city within a city. It's rather arbitrary to think that this Western Wall unites all the three religions, Muslim, Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and makes everyone at peace with one another. And on the other hand, you have this wall that divides Palestine and Israel, where everyone there is just separated. Bon appetit. So I am in the Dead Sea right now of Masada. But we are overlooking the Dead Sea. Very beautiful place. And yeah, it's just we're at the lowest point on Earth. I'm beside this bird. Little bird. It's my friend. Yeah. You chillin'? I'm chillin' too, man. You like me? I like you. He likes me.